Hello everyone. Today, I am going to be doing a comparison on the Flashforge 5 meters and the Flashforge 5 meters Pro. I paid for all of these printers out of pocket and am not endorsed by Flashforge, so these comparisons will be 100% truthful.
First off, I have owned my two Flashforge 5 meters Pros for 6 months. I have over 3,500 hours on the combined. I know what you are all thinking. Why would I buy a Flashforge when everyone says Bamboo is better? I disagree. Bamboo is like the Toyota of the 3D printers. Everyone knows they work well and are talked highly of, so they cost more. The Flashforge is the Honda of 3D printers. Just as reliable. Runs just as good and is much more affordable. I just got my Flashforge 5 meters today. After needing another printer to keep up with business, I decided to try out the 5 meters instead of getting another Pro. Here are my thoughts on both of them. We will start with the Flashforge Adventurer 5 meters. What I like about this printer is the easy access to cleaning and repairs, unlike the Pro, which you have to remove the case before doing any maintenance. I also like the USB location better. On this one, it does not stick out the front of the printer. The only complaint I have is the fan noise, but I have been spoiled with two 5 meters Pros that are super quiet. It's not terrible, and I will learn to ignore it. Now the pros to the 5 meters Pro. It has built-in filtration, so if you are printing with anything other than PLA you don't get those smells. I only use PLA and PLA+, so the 5 meters will work just fine. The Pro also has a built-in light and a built-in camera, which is very nice to have. It is also quieter and has fans to keep the heat controlled. Both the 5 meters and the Pro are the same size and same speed. Both perform just as good as the other. With the 5 meters around $200 cheaper, you just need to think about the sound, the light, the filtration and case. The camera is not great, but if you are out of the house and want to check a print, it works okay for that. All in all, I am very happy with both models. If I had to buy another one tomorrow, I would probably pick up another 5 meters just because of the price. But the Pro is priced very fairly for the extras you get. If you have kids or pets, the 5 meters Pro might be the best option, with the case and filtration not only protecting them but protecting your prints as well. As I said, I am not endorsed by Flashforge. But I will say that if you want a 3D printer and don't want to spend $1,000 or more, this is the one to buy either model. You will be pleased and enjoy every minute of it. I started out with one as a hobby and started selling prints shortly after. Thanks for watching. I hope this answered all your questions. Please comment any questions you have and I will answer them all. Thank you.